We're going to make banana bread with blueberry. First we have about 2 cups of flour. We need about 1 teaspoon of baking soda, about half a teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of butter, about half a cup of sugar. I usually don't use white sugar, I use this agave, organic agave syrup. 2 eggs, 1 to about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, banana of course, 1 cup also blueberry. As you can put more, you can put less, that's okay. First you want to preheat oven to 350 degrees. Now we're ready to get started. First you want to mix the flour, baking soda, and salt. Next we're going to put in the butter and the sugar. Also add in 1 egg. And then now it's time to add in another egg, the banana, the vanilla extract. Now we have a pretty thick mixture. We're going to throw in the blueberry into the mixture. Just like this. Now we're ready to put into the pan. So now it's ready to bake it for about 30 to 35 minutes. Now we can see it's done by putting in a toothpick. Looks like it's done. Looks good to me. Let's cool down for about 10 minutes, then we can take it out.